Who are you?
I am the woman you're occupying her man.
Who is your man? I don't know your man.
How many men are you occupying?
I have just one man. My wonderful husband, Odomnobi, Prince Anne.
You're lying to me! They're all lies. He belongs to me. He is my husband. You are a liar. And soon, sooner than you expect, he will come back to me. Whether you like it or not.
If you are an evil spirit of doom, I command you to depart from me.
Up! How dare you!
How dare you speak when I'm talking to you?
How dare you? How dare you utter a word?
Now get out.
Out of my sight! Get out! How dare you! Oh! Who are you? That food they are eating is meant for the prince's wife.
What is going on here?
My princess.
You again? Inukwu ike obi. Inukwa na ewe anya. And you are eating my food. Imakwa na obi batara.
Get me water to drink. Now.
Oh, go on.
My princess, where are you going? I will never give you peace until you leave my man. And when I'm done with you, I shall take your life. Now squat. Squat! There.
My princess.
Sit there. Hey, sit down. Massage my fingers. Take it gently.
My princess.
Just take it easy. You are still alive because of your kind sister, Obioma.
But my hands are paining me.
Will you shut up and do your work?
You again? Have you sworn to be a bone in my throat?
You started this! You dare talk to me! You started this! You started it when you left me and got married to that thing! You started it! I have come to remind you that it is time for you to come back home to me! You have to come back home to me! I owe you body and soul!
I don't know what you're talking about!
Shut up! Shut up! I'm waiting for you inside.
The prince of our land
I greet you. I greet you.
Oh, the prince of our land, you are welcome to my house.
Thank you very much.
Can you please sit down?
No, don't worry. Let me go straight to the point. I brought these for Ichego. I intend to make her my wife.
Oh, the prince of our land.
Yes.
You talk as if you are not in this kingdom. It is too late.
Too late for what?
She got married yesterday.
Married yesterday?
Yes.
To who?
To the man of our heart.
Bring my bante. Bring my bante. No, seriously. When I was dancing, like dancing, the maidens of your clan couldn't take their eyes off me. Now ask me why they were looking at me.
Why do I need to ask you? You are a terrible dancer, of course. The drum was saying something else, and your legs were dancing something else.
No. It was the drummer who was beating off beats. I put the ladies in your clan in confusion.
And I saw the way all the men from your clan were staring at my waist while I was dancing, while I was shaking my waist.
No, they were staring at me too.
Wait. You is so stiff, you are a terrible dancer.
I am not. Then this one.
Now, Ozuko, let me show you what dancing is all about. Start clapping for me. Ungwa!
Okay, let me start clapping.
That clap well!
Anyway, you're not lying.
Hey! So you see what I'm talking about.
Oh, you are a good dancer. It's good to say the truth.
Yes, I am. And you shouldn't try competing with me. Not for a second.
Well, who am I to compete with my beautiful one?
So I won.
Yes. You won.
He will be back. This time, he will meet with his fate.
My prince. My prince, what is the problem? What is it? She got married yesterday. No. Can you believe she got married to that Kanu from Arushuku? That boy thinks he can upset me. He thinks he can upset me. I, Prince Ani. I will make sure.
No, my prince, no. This is not time for I will. Calm down. What do we do?
I will skin Kanu alive and take Ijego from him.
My prince, don't you think he might have taken her virginity away last night?
No. Get me something to drink. My head is on fire. My head is on fire. Let me go check my trap. I'll be back before you know it.
It's okay, my husband. It will catch a big animal. You know I always bring good luck to you.
That is true. And when I return, you shall prepare a very delicious nsala soup with the big meat. Animal.
It's okay. Just be careful. Go well.
And take care of yourself.
I will. Be careful.
My prince. Let us go to another kingdom and pay men to bring a virgin for you.
Just stop talking and let me drink and think.
Sorry. I think I need to mind my business.
Yes, Lord. I wish they could become like the sun. Wait. I haven't checked my cows to ask our thoughts about him. I've never asked about the yes or no.
What about me?
My love. I was just preparing for AKD.
I could not wait for AKD. I wanted to see your face again. I wanted to hold your hand again. I wanted to hear your voice again.
Then come, let's see what our future holds. Come.
What are we doing?
Calm down. Pick the cowries and cast them.
You haven't told me what you're doing.
I want to see the future. Our future. Shall we?
You never told me you were a fortune teller.
Well, now you know. Pick the cowries and cast them.
No. I want to do it.
It will not harm you. Very well then. I'll do it first. And then you can do yours. What kind of a dream is this?
Jugu.
Yes, Uncle. I thought you weren't coming anymore.
I left my heart here, so I have to come back.
I'm guessing I'm your heart. I just dreamt of you.
And what was the dream all about?
I told you I was a soothsayer, and you got angry with me.
But I should say it.
Yes.
So the prophecy was right.
What prophecy? You're so good. What prophecy?
That I will be a king when I marry.
You just lied to me. In my dream, your mother refused to accept me. That is the divination you're talking about.
It's just a dream. My mother will never reject a woman I want to marry. Moreover, she has asked me to bring a woman countless times.
And take me to her.
I will come on a K day to take you to my mother.
So you came back to this land after insulting me?
Ubani, not here, not now, not anymore. Please stop.
Where'd you go? I want to see you aside.
As you can see, I am with someone. Let's go, Biaso.
I will kill this man. I certainly will.
What did he tell you? He said he would take me to see his mother. His mother? Mm-hmm. Let me see your palm. What? What? He will put his life to save you.
Greetings, my prince.
So it is true. You're married to that nobody.
My husband is not a nobody.
He's a coward. A stupid man that cannot stay with one woman. Have you not heard that he has a wife in Achina? He had a son with her.
You have just lied. My husband is a noble man.
A noble man indeed. As I'm talking to you now, he has gone to Achina to see her. And you will come to thank me later. Noble man indeed.
No. You cannot do this to me.
I love.
You came?
Yes, I had to.
I'm very well, thank you.
I help you, sir.
Good mother.
Who is she?
Mother, meet Ojugo, my friend.
Obiasogo, I want to have a word with you. You must stay away from that woman.
Mother, what is it? Have you met her before?
She is the woman who will take you to the oblivion.
I don't get it.
She is evil. She is the woman who will bring your ruin. Yes.
Mother, she is harmless. She told me that divination said she will be a queen.
Yes, she is a queen of soothsaying. Misfortune follows her around. Stay away from her. You must stay away from her. Stay away from her. Young woman, you must stay away from my son. Yes.
Mother, please.
Listen, if I see you in my house again, I will slit your throat with a knife. Now, get out. I said get away, get out. Get out. Out! Obiasogo. Obiasogo, come back here.
Sunrise. Where are you going with your bags?
I am going to my father's house. You cannot ruin my life.
What are you talking about? What happened?
Kano, you think no one will tell me about it?
Tell you about what?
It shall not be well with you.
Can you talk? What happened? My sunrise. Am I dreaming? My sunrise.
Can you stop following me? You took me to your mother so she could humiliate me?
Please stop sounding like that. My mother cannot come between us.
She has already proven that she is between us. Please stop looking for me now. Don't come looking for me, please.
Please.
My love, talk to me. Etiko, talk to me.
Leave me alone! Don't touch me!
Etiko, talk to me. What have I done? Why are you doing this to me? What will people say?
People will say that I am brave enough to leave a dog like you.
A dog? What is going on? You're acting so strange. My love, talk to me. What's the problem?
Listen to me. If you touch me one more time, I swear to the gods, I will cut off your nose. Let me have my bags. Let me.
Etiko.
Just leave me alone.
What is it? Why are you crying? Hope is not what I'm thinking. Huh? With your...
Annie, you're evil. How did you do it? Annie.
May your tears never fall. From sunrise to sundown. Get what you want away. A begging on the way.
What is it? Why are you crying?
I was coming to your house. I'm finished.
What happened? Is Etiko alright?
Etiko has left me.
What? Etiko left you? Did you fight with her?
No, I didn't. I just came back from the bush and I met her living with her bags. Etiko is just acting so strange. I can't really tell. I can't really tell what happened to my Etiko.
How strange. Don't worry. Let me drop this and I will go and talk to her. Stop crying.
You won't understand. This is just so strange to me. I don't know what to think. Can I go with you?
No. Go and see her father. I will join you soon. Stop crying.
It's okay. Let me go.
Etiko left him. Why? No, I have to find out.
Love me, Arabu Kwaname.
My sunrise.
The gods will not forgive you for fooling me, for doing this to me.
My love, in the name of the gods, can you be lenient enough to tell me what I have done?
Do not pretend you do not know what you have done. You think I will not hear that you have a wife and a child in Achina?
Me? A wife and a child in Achina?
Swear it is not true.
I have never been to Achina.
You are a liar. You lied.
Etiko, you called me a liar. You called me a liar. Wait. Annie. Annie did this? Annie lied to you that I have a woman and a child elsewhere? Hey, Etiko. Etiko, how could you? How could you believe such a lie? Can't you see he wants to tear us apart? Can't you see?
Etiko. What happened?
Let him tell you.
And he lied to her that I have a wife and a child elsewhere.
Etiko, why would you allow Annie to trick you? When you hear such story, it is right you hear from your husband first.
The only woman I have known in the past is you. And he did this because he feels I'm still angry with him for snatching Oluge away from me. That's the only reason. And you had the mind to believe him.
I once heard he married Oluge instead of Obioma, whom he was betrothed to. Can you know what? Sit down and tell us everything. Sit.
It was the first time in my life that I wanted to wake up from reality. Nne chelo o. Nne. You're beautiful. Only this kind of beauty can make a man lose his breath for a moment. The only thing I've seen as beautiful and fragile as you are is a rain knot. If you were a goddess, you deserve to be worshipped by 7 innocent men. In fact, you deserve the best uwe for your skin. My name is Kanonta. It looks like you're not in a good mood. I know you're not spirit. You're human. Even spirits show sign. This slap is not a beautiful one. Why did you slap me? Where I come from, women don't slap men. You slapped me. And you're crying. Are you okay? Is everything all right?
Who am I? Who are you? And what am I doing here?
Now we're standing here together. Are you okay? Are you okay?
My head.
Are you okay? What is it?
My head.
What's wrong with your head?
My head.
Are you okay? Talk to me. Talk to me. What is it? What is it?
My head.
Talk to me. What is it? Talk to me. What's wrong? What's wrong with your head? Talk to me.
Allah! Allah! Allah!
I did not touch her.
Who are you and what are you doing with her?
I did not touch her.
Ola, are you alright? I've been looking for you. Let us go.
Is she your sister? Is she alright? What is wrong with her? What is wrong with her?
Can you mind your business and go back to where you come from? Or do you want to mock us?
No, I do not mean to mock you.
If you keep following us, I will shout and our young men will come out here and beat you up.
Is she suffering from Oribuche?
How did you know about Oribuche?
I can help her with some herbs to cure it. Allow me. Allow me to help her. How long has she been suffering from this?
It started 3 years ago when the man who promised to marry her took another woman on the wedding day.
Okay, I know herb that can cure it. Okay, but let me quickly get it. I'll be right back.
Thank you.
All right.
Allah, you have to drink this so you will be alright.
Yes, Allah.
Drink.
Let her drink more. More. She will be fine. In 3 days, she will be completely fine.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Let me get you water to wash your hands.
Okay. When she wakes up, give her some food. Okay? I'll be back tomorrow to see her.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
No, it's alright. Take care of her.
I will.
Alright.
Go.
Okay. Thank you. How is she today?
She's getting better. You're welcome.
How are you?
I am fine.
Some herbs.
Thank you.
This will cure it forever.
May God bless you.
Bless you too. I'll be on my way. I'll be back again later in the day to see her. Please take care of her.
I will. Go well. I have seen him before. Yes, you have seen him before. He is handsome. Yes, he is. Let me go and cook this. To come back.
Okay. I'll come back much later.
You will not kill me.
Why are you laughing? Eh? Wait. So you have the mind to laugh at me? Eh? You think I cannot dance?
You're not a good dancer. Just.
Wait. So you have... Okay, now, I will show you that I've won so many dancing contests. Just watch. Watch me. I'll show you now. This time will I give her.
Please stop. You're not a good dancer.
Okay, you want to try me? Someone wants to try me. Okay, just watch. Watch, let me show you the new style now. Watch it. Which style will I give her? This style. Okay.
What am I saying? All are laughing. What did you do to her?
Well, I'm happy she's laughing today. We're actually having a good time.
Do you know she has not laughed for the past 3 years?
That means today is a D-Day.
Hey, Hola. You can take her home with you.
Just like that.
Hola. And you think I will not follow him to his house if I want?
Oh yeah, watch.
My love, I wish this happiness you brought into my life will remain forever and ever and ever. Oh, I love you so much.
I love you too. You know, when I saw you in that state, I swore to myself that I would do everything within my power to cure you. And I'm the happiest man knowing fully well that you're cured completely.
Can I tell you something?
Okay.
I love you. The gods sent you to me. And I appreciate it
No,
so much.
No. The gods brought you to me.
Okay. Accept it.
You to me.
Me to you?
No, it's you to me.
No, me to you.
It's you to me.
Is this not Olaugo, the lunatic? What happened? She's looking very well and even prettier. Hey, who is this man? Asked me to bring you on body.
I will come, my love. And when I come, I will sleep over.
You will sleep over?
My sister is better now.
That reminds me. What happened?
The gods sent one of their own to heal her. Ola, what happened? We forgot something. I've come. Maybe I'm coming.
So you have to go back from here, okay?
Don't forget to come back tomorrow. Don't forget to come back tomorrow.
Of course. I will certainly come tomorrow to see you.
I know.
Take care of yourself for me.
I will.
Malita. Yes. By the way, who is that man in your house?
Oh. Our prince. He is betrothed to my sister. Any problem?
Not really. Well, just that he has this proud and mean attitude all over him.
But my sister likes him that way. So, start going.
Okay. Take care of yourself.
Go away. You like everything about me.
I like it.
Halugo!
My love. Some people will not just allow us to have this our wonderful fun. Let us live here, please. They just want to be disturbing us all the time.
Halugo! This is not happening. This is not happening. What was the meaning of that? What has it done to you?
Do you want to know? He has shown me greater love, powerful love, royal love. Have I answered your question?
Halugo, how could you? How could you betray us this way? How?
Stupid question.
That's the only woman I've known in my entire life until I met you.
EJ, you see, I told you. You should have heard from him first.
My husband. Please, I am sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Get your bags. Let's go home.
Don't worry, I will help you. But don't do this again.
Thank you.
Ijego, what happened?
My in-law, nothing happened.
What else do I do to separate them?
I still maintain my stand. I still maintain what I said. Let's go to another land and look for a virgin girl. Even if it means Spain.
Okay. How do we know the one that did not suckle her mother's breast?
That's a big question. Let us go and see Azamai.
Okay.
Did you find the virgin girl?
Easy, why? Can't it just be an ordinary virgin girl?
You must meet up with the demand if you want to get what you want. And let me warn you, as long as you've stepped your foot here, you must fulfill it.
Yeah.
Else you die in the hand of a woman.
Easy, why? Please. Can you help me find this virgin girl? I will pay anything at all. I will pay you.
I am not the one who wants to be great and invisible. You are.
I know.
I can see the woman coming closer, aiming at your neck.
My neck? My neck.
Greetings, my prince.
What did you say?
I greeted you, my prince.
You just insulted the king. You just insulted my father. You just insulted the king.
My prince, I did not mention your father's name.
I heard you.
Well, you will not spoil my beautiful mood this morning. Excuse me.
Yes, I have not.
Oh! Oh! For the singular act of yours, I shall repay you by avenging the death of your daughter. I will.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.